curious about what driving could look like in the near future. These futuristic vehicles are packed with bold designs, smart tech, and features that feel straight out of a sci-fi movie. From sleek commuters to next-level personal transport, this lineup shows how travel is about to change. All vehicles are linked in the description below. Small bike, big attitude. This electric mini bike delivers smooth, quiet acceleration that makes every ride feel effortless. You get multiple riding modes, so you can cruise calmly or switch it up when you want more excitement. The digital display keeps you informed, showing speed, range, and ride status at a glance. Dual suspension and strong disc brakes help you stay comfortable and in control. With built-in battery storage, you're always ready to keep the ride going. Stability meets everyday freedom. This three-wheel electric scooter gives you a confident ride that feels steady and easy from the moment you hop on. You can fold it down quickly, making it simple to store at home or slide into your car. A built-in reverse function helps you back out of tight spots without stress. The electric motor delivers smooth power, while the battery lets you handle errands or short trips without worry. Kick push is officially optional. This electric skateboard lets you cruise with smooth power using a simple handheld remote. You can choose different speed levels, so it feels friendly for beginners and still fun as you gain confidence. The compact deck is easy to carry, making it perfect for campus rides or quick trips. A strong maple board keeps you stable while riding. Smooth braking helps you slow down safely, so you stay in control the entire time. This looks like a motorcycle pulled straight from the future. The electric design ditches traditional spokes, leaving hollow wheels that feel light, bold, and futuristic. The flowing body wraps smoothly around the motor, giving you a clean and compact look from every angle. Details like floating lights and patterned tires make it feel more like a concept from a sci-fi movie than a regular bike. It's a vision of how electric motorcycles could turn everyday riding into something truly eye-catching. Shoes that move on their own? Yes, really. These self-balancing electric skates strap right onto your feet and turn walking into a smooth glide. Built-in motors keep you steady, so you lean forward to go and back to slow down. LED lights add a cool look while helping you stay visible. They're portable, rechargeable, and easy to carry when you're done riding. It's a fun, futuristic way for you to cruise without a full board or scooter. Surfing just got a serious upgrade. This electric jet surfboard helps you glide across the water with smooth, controlled power. You can choose different ride modes, making it friendly for beginners and exciting for confident riders. A clear display lets you check battery life at a glance, so you know when it's time to head back. Built-in safety features add peace of mind if something unexpected happens. It's a fun way for you to enjoy the water, even if you're not a strong swimmer. This is racing you can feel in your bones. This electric go-kart puts you low to the ground and gives you instant, thrilling acceleration. The steering feels natural and responsive, helping you stay locked into every turn. Built-in drift support makes sliding corners feel smooth instead of scary. You can adjust the frame to fit your body, so it feels made just for you. It's part real-world racing, part immersive gaming, and all-out fun. One wheel is all you need. This electric unicycle balances itself, letting you glide forward just by leaning your body. It's surprisingly lightweight, so you can carry it easily when you're not riding. The powerful motor helps you handle hills and uneven paths without feeling shaky. Built-in lights keep you visible, especially when riding at night. It's a compact, fun way for you to commute and feel like you're floating through the city. Feel the thrill of gliding anywhere, like it's magic. This self-balancing electric board lets you cruise smoothly on streets, paths, or even light off-road trails. The wide deck keeps you stable, while the 10.5-inch wheel tackles bumps with ease. Lightweight aluminum construction makes it strong but easy to carry when you're off the board. Whether commuting or exploring, it puts the fun back in every ride. Turn your regular self-balancing scooter into a full-on go-kart in seconds. This seat attachment lets you sit down and steer with padded handles, while the wheels rotate smoothly for drifting, turning, and reversing. The adjustable frame fits riders of almost any size and supports up to 265 pounds, keeping every ride safe and comfortable. Setup is simple, with tools and instructions included, so you're ready in minutes. It's a thrilling way for both kids and adults to enjoy scooter adventures together. Get ready to conquer trails and open spaces with this electric off-road go-kart. Its powerful 1,500-watt motor offers 3-speed modes plus reverse, so you can learn slowly or race confidently. Rugged 8-inch aluminum wheels grip dirt, grass, and gravel for smooth all-terrain rides. The sturdy steel frame keeps you stable, while the LED headlight lights the way for low-light adventures. With a rechargeable battery giving over 12 miles per charge, the fun keeps going without stopping. Hauling your e-foil just got effortless. This wheeled surfboard bag lets you roll your board, battery, remote, and all accessories in one trip, saving your back and time. Cushioned supports protect your gear from scratches and dings while you transport it. Durable materials stand up to sun, salt, and water, so it keeps looking great season after season. Smooth wheels make moving across sand, pavement, or docks a breeze. Say hello to a lightweight ride that fits right in your backpack. This electric skateboard is compact and easy to carry, making it perfect for teens, commuters, or anyone needing a quick portable solution. Glide smoothly at up to 14 miles per hour with shock-absorbing wheels that handle bumps and cracks effortlessly. The beginner-friendly remote shows speed, battery, and modes, so you're always in control. Quick charging and low-to-the-ground stability make every ride safe, smooth, and fun. Get ready to spin, slide, and drift like never before. This electric tricycle lets you zip around with a push-button throttle, reaching speeds up to 9 miles per hour for almost an hour of non-stop fun. Dual rear caster wheels make 360-degree spins and slides effortless, turning every ride into a stunt show. A hand-operated front brake keeps you safe, while the sturdy front wheel and rechargeable battery handle the adventure. Compact, thrilling, and easy to ride, fun comes standard. Conquer hills and trails with this powerful electric ride. Front and rear suspension keep every ride smooth over bumps and rough terrain. Its 1,100-watt motor handles steep slopes easily, while high-performance disc brakes give you full control. The removable battery lets you charge anywhere and powers you up to 40 miles on a single ride. With a 280-pound capacity, it's built for adventure and fun for riders of all sizes. Meet the ultimate way to walk and glide at the same time. This electric treadmill bike lets you cover long distances without sore legs, combining walking motion with electric power. With 5 gears, you can go from a relaxed pace to a brisk speed, feeling the wind as you move. A strong 250-watt motor and 960 watt-hour battery give you up to 70 kilometers on a single charge. Easy to operate, it turns every walk or run into a fun, effortless adventure. Why choose between walking and skating when you can do both? These 2-in-1 roller shoes let you switch from sneakers to skates in seconds. Hidden retractable wheels pop out with a click, so you can glide smoothly on any flat surface. The breathable design keeps your feet comfy all day, whether you're strolling or rolling. Durable materials and secure locks make it safe, and the unisex style comes in colors and sizes for everyone. Ready to tackle any terrain without breaking a sweat? This all-electric 4x4 ATV scooter powers through streets, trails, and hills with ease. Its swappable battery keeps you going up to 75 miles, while the 7,200-watt motor hits top speeds effortlessly. Big tires, full suspension, and hydraulic brakes make every ride smooth and safe. LED lights add visibility, so you can adventure day or night with confidence. Why just swim when you can zoom through the water? This dual-motor underwater scooter lets you glide at 2 speeds, relax, or go full throttle for an adventure. It runs up to an hour, and the removable battery makes recharging fast and easy. Adjustable buoyancy and one-button operation mean anyone can use it, whether diving or floating. Lightweight, portable, and safe. It even comes with camera mounts so you can capture every splash. Tired of traffic or long rides wearing you out? This folding electric bike gives you a boost with a 500-watt motor, hitting speeds up to 23 miles per hour effortlessly. The removable battery powers up to 35 miles or more with pedal assist and charges in just a few hours. Lightweight and foldable, it's easy to store or take on the go, while adjustable seats and handlebars keep every ride comfy. Advanced suspension and disc brakes make even bumpy roads smooth and safe. Why just float when you can zoom across the pool? This electric swim kickboard has 3 speeds, letting you glide up to 1.5 meters per second for fun or serious training. Safety is built in with a self-floating design and a propeller guard to protect little fingers. The rechargeable battery powers up to an hour of water action, and it's light enough to carry anywhere. Perfect for beginners, kids, or adults, it makes swimming exciting, safe, and skill-building. Why settle for ordinary mobility when you can glide effortlessly anywhere? This automatic power wheelchair folds and unfolds with advanced robotics, making transport and storage a breeze. Omnidirectional front wheels let you turn in tight spaces, while the suspension smooths every ride. The long-lasting battery keeps you moving, and the Smart app puts control right at your fingertips. Comfortable, safe, and airline approved, it's designed to help you move freely with confidence. Why struggle with traffic when you can zip through the city? This foldable electric bike hits speeds up to 18 miles per hour and goes up to 25 miles on a single charge. Pedal assist or full electric modes give you control over every ride. Its clever folding design shrinks the bike by half, making it easy to carry or store anywhere. The LED display keeps you informed on speed, battery, and mileage, making commuting simple and fun. Ready to give your little rider a boost? This electric balance bike helps kids aged 5 to 7 learn balance while zipping around with 3 power modes. The brushless motor is powerful yet efficient, giving plenty of outdoor fun safely. Durable aluminum frame and 16-inch pneumatic wheels make it tough enough for adventures. The Quick Connect battery keeps rides going for up to an hour, making learning and playing easy and exciting. Why walk when you can cruise up to 28 miles per hour? This electric scooter gives you up to 50 miles of smooth, uninterrupted riding with a long-lasting battery. Dual hydraulic suspensions and tubeless tires soak up bumps, keeping every ride comfy and stable. The aluminum alloy frame is tough and built to last, while intuitive controls make maneuvering easy for beginners and pros alike. Bright lights and safety certifications mean you can ride confidently, day or night. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.